Do you feel like the banking system is always working against you? Are you tired of earning next to nothing in interest on your savings? And are you sick to the teeth of being bombarded with hidden fees and charges? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll be uncovering some of the lesser-known truths that banks don't want you to know, from the power to create money to the ways in which banks profit. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how the banking system works and what you really should be doing with your money. Truth number 1, keeping your money in a bank is a losing game. When it comes to earning interest on your savings, banks aren't exactly generous. In fact, the top banks offer interest rates as low as 0.5%. And with inflation rates at 6.5%, the value of your money is actually decreasing over time. Instead of relying on banks to grow your wealth, consider investing in assets that have the potential for higher returns, such as real estate or stocks. Investing in real estate, for example, allows you to earn rental income and potentially see appreciation in the value of the property. Investing in stocks can also provide high returns, especially if you choose to invest in a stock of a growing company with a good future outlook. 2. Banks have the power to create money out of thin air. Contrary to popular belief, it's not just the Federal Reserve that has the power to create money. Every bank has the ability to do so through a process called fractional reserve banking. When you deposit money into a bank, the bank is only required to keep a fraction of that deposit and can then lend out the rest. This means that for every dollar you deposit, the bank can create multiple dollars in loans. This is how banks are able to lend more money than they have on deposit. 3. Banks make a profit through hidden fees. Banks have a variety of ways to make money off of you, from account maintenance fees to ATM withdrawal charges, to even charges for depositing money. These fees may seem small, but they can add up quickly and eat into your savings. Be sure to read through the fine print and ask about any fees that may be associated with your account to avoid any surprises. One way to avoid these fees is to choose a bank that has a no-fee policy or to switch to online banking, which usually has lower fees. 4. Banks use interest rates to their advantage. Interest rates are a powerful tool for banks to make money. By charging you for borrowing money, they can earn a profit. Banks also use interest rates to attract new customers and retain existing ones by offering special rates for certain types of accounts or for a limited time. Keep in mind that these rates can change frequently, so it's important to stay informed and shop around for the best rate. One way to do this is to compare interest rates from different banks and financial institutions before opening an account or taking out a loan. 5. Banks prioritize profits over your best interest. At the end of the day, banks are for-profit institutions, and their main goal is to make money. While they may offer you a loan or other financial products, they are not necessarily doing so with your best interest in mind. Be sure to do your own research and compare options before making any financial decisions. One way to do this is to consult with a financial advisor who can help you understand your options and make the best decision for your financial situation. 6. Cryptocurrency as an alternative to traditional banking. Coins like Bitcoin are decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or institution. This means there are no hidden fees, no interest rates, and no middlemen involved. Transactions are peer-to-peer and are secured by complex algorithms. The issue is still stability. People tend to see crypto more as an investment rather than a functioning currency. But if you don't always need instant access to your money and can wait during the dips, then Bitcoin can offer a higher level of return than a traditional account. Just do your homework first. Understanding the inner workings of the banking system is crucial to managing your money effectively. Knowing the truths that banks don't want you to know can help you make better financial decisions. Don't be afraid to shop around for the best rates and fees, and always prioritize your own financial well-being over the profits of the banks. And when it comes to investing, don't limit yourself to traditional banking and consider alternative options such as real estate, stocks, and even cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and until next time.